Hello everyone, this is Suki. Welcome to Gobel Power. Recently, have many customers asked me whether to choose PACE BMS or JK-BMS. And at my left hand, here is the JK-BMS and the PACE BMS. In today's video, I will introduce this BMS in details for you. The main purpose of the BMS is to ensure the safe, efficient, and the long-lasting operation of the battery. Now I will introduce some main functions of the BMS. First one is monitoring functions. The voltage monitoring detects the voltage of each cell to prevent overcharging or over-discharging. Second, current monitoring. Monitor the magnitude of charging and the discharging currents. 3. Temperature monitoring ensures that the battery operates within a safe temperature range. And the second point, protection functions. First is to prevent overcharging, over-discharging, and overcurrent, and overheating to avoid battery damage or fire. Second, cut off the charging or discharging process by controlling the switch circuit or communicating with the charger or inverter. Third, balancing function. The BMS can keep the voltages of all cells in the battery pack consistent, improving performance and extending the lifespan. Here in the market, as we all know, we have two types brand of BMS. One is from JK and one is from PACE. And this one, let me show you the PACE BMS. As you can see, this is PACE BMS. And this is the back side. Also, this one is JK-BMS. Let's see, JK. And let me open this box and show you guys. So next, we will see the detailed difference of these two types of BMS. Now let's talk about the JK-BMS. The price of the JK-BMS is relatively lower compared with the PACE BMS because it's built into a balancer. Our users no need to buy another balancer, so it's cost effective compared with PACE BMS. With external 4A Bluetooth active balancer, the PACE BMS the balancing time can be faster. As you can see, here we can see is the PACE BMS board, and here is the external 4A balancer. It helps the user who will need to monitor the battery remotely. And as we all know, the PACE BMS is already on the market for a long period, so it has some international certification. Because the PACE BMS can communicate with many different brands of inverter in the market. So most customers will tend to choose the PACE BMS. And here is our GPSR1 PC314 lithium battery. And now let's power on this battery and go to the menu. Press down. Here the info. You can check. You can check the temperature. And this is the temperature from 1, 2, 3, and 4. This battery is monitoring the temperature. And let's go back. Here we also can check the cell voltage. This is the cell voltage from 1 to 16 because this battery have 16 pieces of 314 cells. And this is the PACE BMS. And here also is the GPSR1 JK-200. Here we can see the total voltage and the currency from the screen. If you want to check more information, you can use your phone and connect this battery and to check all the detailed information through your phone. It's very convenient for you. These are all the differences between the PACE BMS and the JK-BMS. If you have any questions about our battery, you can leave your battery model on the comments of this video. We will help you to solve the problem.